Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D isometric camera that follows the player within 2 minutes. Here I have an empty scene with a player. All that the player can currently do is move. As you can see, when he moves, he will just leave the camera behind. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to Window, Package Manager, and install the Cinemachine package. Once you've done that, you can right-click Cinemachine and add a virtual camera. Then you add a brain to it. And what this is going to do is it's going to make the main camera actually see the same thing that our virtual camera sees. Then we're going to assign a follow object and we're going to say we want to follow the player. So grab on the player and drag him into follow. Change the rotation right away to an isometric view with 45-degree angle tilt on the y-axis and 30-degree angle on the x-axis. As you can see in the game view, it is still not looking great. What we need to do is we need to change this lock to target with world up to world space, and now we can edit this to actually bring the camera higher up, and then just use these follow offsets to center our player how we would actually want him to be in the game view. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to go for a less conventional isometric view with a 45-degree tilt on the x-axis, so I'll just adjust my offsets so that it looks a little bit better. I think that looks pretty good. If we click on play, you'll see that we already have the desired behavior. The camera is following us, but it's not actually changing based on our rotation, and it seems to be working pretty well. But anyways, that is basically everything. With this, you should have a camera that works just like the one that I have on my scene right now. You can do any changes that you want to it by changing whatever rotation angle you want and whatever offsets you think look best for your game and the body. And it should be easily customizable. So yeah, thank you.